We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Paul。
Hey, Joseph Ling. And Alice, you've never told me that there's actually a Hakka cultural hall here in Taipei City.
係啊，你唔知啊？
我要自己去找到才知道。
排泄
真是的，
哦。
害我每次都要跑那麼遠。
哦，
So we want to introduce this to all the listeners of ICRT right now. 我們來介紹一下。
嚟讓介紹一下好咧。
All right.
呢個客家文化會館。
Oh, that's the Hakka Cultural Hall. Hakka 文化會館。
會館呢，而係啲台灣區嘅信義路，
在信義路
係
三段
157巷
157巷
11號，
41號。
有4層樓哦。
哦，4層樓。Okay, there are 4 floors, all right?
嘅1樓咧，
First floor.
做的本意飲茶大醉鼓。
啊，什麼東西啊？
飲茶。
飲茶大醉鼓。
對啊。
什麼是大醉鼓？
大醉鼓就像我們現在在聊天一樣。
哦，是嗎？啊，大醉鼓。
大醉鼓。
是聊天。Okay, so on the first floor, you can actually drink some tea, sip on tea, and chat with all the friends over there. Okay, that's interesting.
但係2樓咧
2樓就是 the second floor.
有一個相片。
胸片，我知道了，照片嘛。
對。
啊，老胸片。
對，
就老相片。
頭擺嘅相片。
對。So on the second floor, you can actually see a lot of old pictures of the Hakka villages and culture. All right?
喺3樓有一道客家人相關嘅歷史文化介紹。
Okay, so there's a lot of cultural things on the third floor as well, such as 比如什麼呢？
像宗教信仰啊
，religion,
建築啊
architecture,
戲劇啊
that performing arts.
還有一道衫褲啊。
Oh, clothings too. Okay. All right. So there you go. You can actually find out a lot about the Hakka culture on this third floor. And finally, on the fourth floor, 4樓在幹嘛呢？4
樓係本人辦法通嘅，像有3個嘅教倉，摘茶愛茶。
這是Hakka. Alice is singing. Because on the fourth floor, you can actually participate in different activities that they have there, and they could be teaching you different Hakka songs or mountain songs. There you go. You can go visit again the Hakka Cultural Hall that's located on Xingyi Road, Section 3, Lane 157, number 11, to find out more about this beautiful culture. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼客家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.